Hello viewers, if you are planning to buy a tablet this year, then I would strongly recommend waiting for Flipkart Big Billion Days sale 2026 because this could be one of the best opportunities of the year to buy an iPad, Samsung tablets, OnePlus tablet or other popular Android tablets at a much lower price. And today I am going to tell you the expected BBD dates, early access details and most importantly which tablets you should keep in your wish list. According to the currently available sale calendars, Flipkart's Big Billion Days sale is expected to begin on 23rd of September 2026. For Flipkart Plus and Black members, early access is expected to begin around 22nd September, giving members approximately 24 hours of early shopping access. The main sale is expected to start around midnight on September 23rd. The sale could continue into the first week of October, although the exact closing date has not yet been officially confirmed. So if you are planning a big purchase, mark September 22nd and September 23rd on your calendar. Now you may ask question, why BBD sale is important for tablet buyers? Now let's talk about tablets. During Big Billion Days sale, we can expect discounts not only from Flipkart but potentially additional savings through bank card offers, instant discounts, exchange bonuses, no cost EMI, limited time flash deals, etc. Let's talk about iPads. iPad 11th generation with A16 Bionic chipset should definitely be on your BBD wish list. This is already one of the best iPads that you can buy. Similarly, you will get discounts on tablets like Samsung Galaxy Tab, S10 FE and S10 FE Plus and any newer models that receive price cuts around the sale. Samsung tablets are popularly interesting because discounts can sometimes be combined with bank offers and exchange benefits. For S10 FE, the best price is around 34 to 35,000 rupees, and if you want to buy S10 FE Plus, in that case 38 to 42,000 rupees is the best price bracket. Similarly, there will be discounts on OnePlus tablet like OnePlus Pad, OnePlus Pad 2, OnePlus Pad 3, Pad 4, etc. In my upcoming videos, I will mention about the best price of OnePlus tablet, so stay tuned for that video. And if you are talking about the card offers, it is not yet confirmed whether SBI card or HDFC card or ICICI card will be available for discount, but I think SBI or HDFC might be available for discounts. So stay tuned for the next video. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you want to know the best price of each and every tablet in the current scenario, you have to follow this page or this YouTube channel to get notified about the best price. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.